How to find invoice on Temu. I will show you a very short tutorial how you can just find invoice on Temu very easily. So I am right now in the Temu, and to find your invoice you have to go to the orders and accounts and go to the orders, right? So once you go to the orders, it will show you all the orders that you have received. Once you received, you will get an option of invoice. But for example, if you have ordered thousands of product and you want an invoice very instantly, so I will show you another method. Just go to the support, right, and click on chat with Temu, and here just write invoice, and once you write the invoice, click on enter, and here it will just load for a few seconds. The chatbot will work, right? So here it will ask you that basically it will give you all the information regarding it. It will show you the orders which you have purchased and made, and the orders which you have received, and you have to select the order which you want the invoice for it, and instantly you will receive an invoice PDF. I hope you found this video very useful.